back to the Diabetic Diet Show. I'm in a condo building, so right out my door in the hallway is a fire extinguisher. I would use it as a last resort because it's going to make a mess. I'd have to have a pretty big fire, something like the kitchen cabinets going, before I'd consider using it. When you're cooking and something flares up, all you have to do is put the lid on it. Especially if it's in the oven, put a lid on it. That'll go right out. Careful you don't burn yourself on the flames reaching in an oven while there's flames. Try not to take a pan from the stove somewhere. Like run out the door, run to the sink with it. You'll spill it on the way and make a fire trail along the way, or you'll start the kitchen cabinets. Just try throwing a blanket on it, a towel, something to try to smother it. And all good cooks keep a box of baking soda nearby. I like to keep it open so I know it's all set and ready to go. I just keep it on top of my stove. It's right in the corner. I always keep it in the same place. I never move it. I know where it is if I need it. If I put this on something, I might even be able to save the meal. If you blast with a fire extinguisher, you'll be sorry. They make such a mess. But if you got a big fire, it'll be very helpful. I had a fire in my van once. I was driving down the street, and as luck would have it, some stuff shorted out, and I had boxes of fire extinguishers in the back. And the fire extinguisher boxes caught on fire. So I just pulled over, and I was in an express lane, so I was blocking traffic. I get out and I blast that box with a fire extinguisher. Smoke's rolling out all over the place. Of course it stinks. And this stuff is like talcum powder, and that stuff was in my van for the whole time I owned that van. I tried everything. I tried vacuuming, I tried leaf blower, I tried garden hosing. I could not get that powder out of my van. It was such a mess. So I would opt for baking soda or putting a lid on any day of the week. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.